Hey guys, I want to do a quick recap of the project here. We're still working on the terracing the hillside here. I moved over to another seawall that we're getting started on here in Gulf Breeze while Chase is finishing up the stairways and decks so that we can get the sand down at the lower level. Once we get all the decks down and the sand down at the lower level, we'll be able to finish up the two retainer walls up top, get them connected, and we'll kind of work our way out of there. But check it out, let me know what you think. Pretty neat, we're creating a nice beachfront right here with a fire pit they'll be able to enjoy in the evenings. Trying to close up this lower seawall now. We're wrapping it around, going up the hill just a little bit of an angle on the property line. We're going to get the vinyl sheet shoved down there. And then we'll take the upper retainer wall and run it over behind these oak trees right in front of the tractor boom right there. Thank you, sir.
I'm going to just set these on your tractor tire.
All right, I'm not going to move. You can get a shot for us, thanks.
Yeah, Jesus is taking over filming it.
Back to my original.
That was his original job.
My original job.
I gotta move it. It's on his finger. We've moved back down to the lower seawall. We're taking the end of the wall and turning it up the hill for proper protection of erosion on the side of the wall here, all the way over to the property line. Once we get these sheets in, we'll come back with a little quarried limestone in front of it to prevent any scouring action from any high tide surges or storms. This project is really starting to take shape. Looks awesome from the water. This is a shot from the barge as we're passing by. It looks really good. If y'all hadn't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like it, give me a like or give me a thumbs down, whichever you like, or a comment, and I'll try to get back with you. Like I said, we're extremely busy right now, so I'm trying to answer everybody just as soon as I can. Thank you.